Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize the way your Firefox looks and how you can apply and download themes so your Firefox looks fresh and different from the way it looks when you install it as a default program. So this is actually a very, again, simple process. Firefox has the advantage of, unlike other browsers, they make things fairly simple to use. Outside of the options menu, they're way more accessible, so to speak. So we're gonna have a look at how we can customize everything right now. So the thing you want to do is, again, from this little three line here, you want to click on this, and then you have this little bit down here called customize. So you click on customize. You have a bunch of options here. You can drag these items on the toolbar menu, which is, if you want to, you can do that. You know, you can add add-ons here. You can add sync tabs, bookmarks, anything you like. You can customize your Firefox in a way that it shows it up right here. Now, another thing that you can do is, and the main thing that we're here for, is the themes that you can apply to Firefox. So after you have all these options and you can swap them out, down here you've got the option for themes. You have three default themes. So one is the default theme, which is, as you can see, blue up there. The other one is the light theme, which kind of makes it white. And then the next one is the dark mode theme, or the dark theme. But outside of these, you also have this little one here, which is a little bit more colorful. But if you want something outside of these, you can go basically two directions. First one is you can go to the official Firefox add-on website, and we've explained that in another video, but I'm going to show you very quickly. Basically, you click here, and then you go to add-ons, right? And then right down here you've got themes. These are all the themes that you have. Or from the customized Firefox page, you have get more themes, which takes you to the official store. And this is all the themes that you can get. There's plenty of them. These are just the recommended ones. From Add-ons Manager, you also get all the themes. Find more on Firefox. Again, plenty of them. See more popular themes. You can click right down here. And as you can see, you could sort them out by on any sort of things you want. So you want top rated, 74. If you want trending, whatever you want, you can apply. So I'm gonna go with top rated. So I'm gonna go with this one, let's say. Okay, so we click on this. You have the little big button here, install theme. Click on it. Let's see how this goes. It's gonna be very interesting. I just want to install it and show you and give you an idea of like how things will look. Yes, add. And as you can see, I've got the animation right up there. So that is how you install or customize the way your Firefox looks on Windows 10. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye bye.